Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Please take note, the camera must somehow face the sky. Then you can now walk in and then do as if you are pumping your jaw with air. You get my point? Then you turn and look at the sky, then you blow it just like what you see me doing on screen. So you understand? You get my point? Then you point your finger to the sky and walk away. When you are done with all this, you can now save your video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. Now here is the video. So we want to set how the video will start. So from this particular point where I'm working in, I'll tap on the layer, tap on split, delete the beginning of the video. So what we will do next here is to go towards the ending part of the video. You get my point? So from here, I will tap on the video layer right here, then I will split and delete the ending part of the video, because this is how I want the video to end. You get my point? Now let's go to the beginning. So from this point where you want to turn to look at the sky, that's where you will have to bring in the effect, the smoke effect. Understand? And so you tap on overlay, tap on add overlay. So let's look at the effect here. So you can now position it towards where your mouth is, somewhere like this. So it will be as if you are blowing it to the air. So when you are done with the positioning, understand, you can now tap on this splice. See splice here, so you will click on splice so that we will change the background. Now let's go to use dodge. Click on dodge. So we like dodge. You can choose anyone, but I like dodge. So click OK. Let's get back to the main page. Alright guys, like and share this video so YouTube will recommend it to many other people. You get my point? So suggest what you want me to teach in my next video. Just let me know in the comment section. Share this video on social media platforms. You get my point? If you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you will be notified when we drop another amazing video editing tutorials like this. You get my point? So that's just it guys. Let's go. Now we want to add the tornado effect. So you click on this navigation button right here. Just click on it. See, look at it here. Now click on add overlay. Then you bring the tornado effect here. Now this is the tornado effect. You get my point? So from here, you will just tap on the layer, go and look for remove BG. Click on it, click on chroma key. Tap on chroma key. Now move this circle to where to show green. Understand? Here you can decide to leave the intensity like this, or you can decide to add a little, but if you're adding a little, let it be maybe 10. Then click OK. Tap on the navigation button. So now what you will do, because we don't want the effect to just appear just like that, understand? So we will have to go to mask. Let's go to mask. Now click on mask. So before you tap on any of these mask tool, you will have to come back and then expand this effect to cover the sky. You get my point? Expand it to cover the sky depending on how you shot your video. So expand it to cover the sky. Just can play around with it. You get my point? So when you are done with the expansion, let's go back to mask. Now click on it, click on horizontal, tap on horizontal, adjust this feather icon here. See this feather icon here? Click on it to adjust it so it will not have a demarcation between the sky and the character. Understand? So you turn it, just turn it to -1 depending on how you shot your video. Understand? Just turn it around. You get my point? Upside down, somewhere like so that when you move the icon up, it will reveal the tornado color. You get my point? You understand what I'm saying? So we want to add keyframe. You want to add keyframe. So from the beginning of this tornado effect, that is where you add keyframe. Understand? From the beginning of this tornado effect, that is where you're going to add your first keyframe. So now let's add the keyframe. So what you do next is for you to move the video a bit. Just move the video a bit. So when you touch this mask tool, this mask line here, try to drag it up to reveal the tornado. Another keyframe will be added. You get my point? You can also do that by increasing this y-axis. Just keep increasing this y-axis. But once you move the video a bit, you come and touch this y-axis and increase it, just like what you're seeing on your screen here. You increase a bit and keyframe will be added automatically. I don't know if you get my point. If you get my point, just comment you get my point. So that's how you're going to be doing till you reveal the full tornado. You get my point? Alright guys, if you want me to mentor you on how to edit video from scratch, you get my point? My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. You chat me on WhatsApp. Let's strike a deal. Also, if you want me to teach you how to get just the effects, so you will not be spending money buying effects, also chat me on WhatsApp. Let's strike a deal. You get my point? Click OK. So now what you do here, look at this particular layer here. We want it to continue to the end of the video, so you tap on the layer. Now let's go and look for freeze. Understand? See freeze here, click on freeze. So just extend it to the end of the video. That's just it. Just tap on this freeze layer, drag it to the end of the video. Just align it there. Align it there and you are good to go. So guys, after all this, you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video.